Okay, so the gym took me a little bit longer today, so not I'm not on time. I was going to start at 8, but yeah, the gym took me a little longer, and also then I had to get my breakfast. So yeah, I'm a little bit late today. I'm gonna start in 1 minute. Let me fix a couple of things here, and I'll be streaming in a couple of minutes. Okay. So let's get started. Let's put the news today first. Here it is. Quite a busy day today, actually. 8:15 already done. 8:40. So let's check what's going on here. Wednesday, November 1st, 2023. So 8:15 already happened. Then at 10 a.m. we do have manufacturing PMI, jobs opening. So, busy day. And then crude oil inventories at 10:30. And then at 2 p.m., this is the big one, federal rate funds or federal fund rate, FOMC statement, and conference. So yeah, busy day today. It's going to be either choppy or it's going to be one of those days that it's a good day to observe, look, and enjoy. Let's see if how it goes. Let's look at the levels now. Daily support and resistance. I'm going to start with a point and figure chart, mother of all charts. So I'm going to expand this one a little bit right there. And I'm going to take this one out. Let me see if I can select it first. There you go. So delete, and then I'm going to see if I can see what are the levels here. Somebody called this one the spaghetti. I would agree. I like to have these indicators here. So we do have the 10 moving average, the 50 moving average, and the 200 moving average. The 200 is moving up. Let me change the color here. And then 10 is moving down. Today there is a cross of the 10 below the 200, which is a bearish signal. However, it came back up, and we'll see what is going to happen here. So 10 is 10 crossing the 200 is not a good sign for the bullish people, but you never know on this one. We are at below the 200 level support right there, so be cognizant on what's going on here. So for that reason, what I'm gonna do now is to put Control C and V, support and resistance here. My resistance is going to be the 2000, okay, and then the support previous low is actually kind of good. Let's see what it says here in the history. So if we project this one here, we do have that, not that much actually, there's some congestion here. We can say that that one is one, this one is another one. Yeah, we can probably leave it around the previous high. So we do have that, maybe that one, this one, kind of, that one or this one. Yeah, I would say that this would be probably a good level there. Okay, so support and resistance 2000, and here is let's see what we have. So 2000 at resistance and support 19. I'm gonna put 1990. A little bit too much, but let's leave it there. 9, yeah, okay. So it could be a little bit lower than that previous low. Okay, so we'll see how it goes. Actually, we do have also that level down below here that we could consider as a support as well. So yeah, a lot of choppiness, I would say, in gold today. Let's look at the 240-minute chart. So for that, I'm gonna change the monitor. This one here is the chart, and we are in an uptrend. There is a kind of a double top up here. You see that? And then coming back below the 2000. So it's trying to come back. It's forming a bear flag here, but all the moving averages are we do have the 200 and the 50. This one is right at the 50. So if it manages, it is able to manage the move to the upside here. I see a lot of congestion though, so it could come and then continue, or it could fail this one and continue the move to the 200 and visit there. So I would say this one is neutral to bearish on gold, even though it's moving to the upside. Okay, so let's go and look at the Let's look at the 30 minutes chart on gold. Okay, so here this one is crossing above the moving averages. We do have here the moving averages are trying to stack to the upside now. It's not really clean. Momentum is positive. So short term or 30 minutes is moving to the upside, and now we're facing, the 2000 level. There is a big move as we speak in ES. Let me show you there. So it's going to the previous high, and also NQ is moving up out of the 830. I didn't see any news at 830 though, but it's taken a move above these levels here. We are in compression right here. Let's see how this one it's or not compression, but yeah, the moving averages are kind of getting closer here. So we'll see if it keeps moving up and down. Again, today is FOMC meeting, so we need to be careful on what we see and how we trade. Some people don't trade at all. I'm probably going to be one of them today. It could be very choppy and deceiving. I need to see really my setups playing out for moving and make any trades. Okay, let's go and look at crude. Crude has had a nice move, reversal in the not reversal but counter trend in the morning. So you see here there was and today again. Today is inventories for crude, so we need to be careful on this one too. Before 10:30. So this one here it's making lower highs and lower lows. You see that one there. And now it's going into a similar high here. So no triggers in this one, but let's see, Control CV, and let's check the levels. I would say that this could be I'm going to consider that one as an overshoot on this one. So just because we do have, where is it? We do have here some support at this level, and resistance, I'm going to say that it's about the same as this one. Maybe you can argue that this is also a strong resistance right up here, but since this one we have a newer double top here, I'm gonna put that one up there. And so we have 83.23. Yeah, I'm gonna put it there, 83.23, and support 81.92. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it there. So extensions, we do see some extensions up here and down here, there. Okay, so okay. Let's go and look at the 240 minutes on the on crude. and it's counter trending, right? So there's a nice move, reversal move to the upside right there. It's short term bullish, and it needs to come and visit this diagonal there. So we do have some potential move to the upside, especially if it breaks this resistance we just draw, which is a little bit below of the previous high. So 83.40, what is it? 83.37 is the previous high. So counter trend though. So and then you do have all the moving averages stuck into the downside. So it's definitely bearish there. I'm gonna remove this lower side of the triangle. We're making lower highs and lower lows, but this could be a reversal. It is a reversal now on these two bars. We'll see if it continues or not. Okay. So let's go to the 30 minutes chart and to show some bullishness there. This one here is okay. So lower highs and lower lows, and then there's a higher low here, and then there's a breakout, trend reversal breakout in here that happened, triggered actually at 5:30 a.m. and then continued moving up, and then there's a nice move up there. I'm noticing that there is a moving average coming down, which is the 200 in this case, and it's really stopping this one to continue moving up, and then there's some resistance up here there. So we will see. We're still in between, but there is some bullishness. The stack moving average, the stack is mix. It's gray. It's not green yet, and but it's moving up. We'll see. Crude is a little bit oversold, I would say, in the dailies. So let me show you that this one here in this chart. Crude right there. The dailies is retracing. It's bearish there. We do have still intermediate MFC oversold and falling, and then we do have red and red, but this day in this candle is reacting to the upside though, so it's counter trending. But if we look at the main this monitor here, it's nicely moving up in the overnight. So this one is actually green in the trigger chart, and then if we look at the higher time frame, this one is going back to yesterday's range, and now we are moving to the upper side there. Plenty of resistance in this level. Be careful on trading this one at this level. We are below the resistance and previous high. This one can reverse, and remember today is inventories for at 10:30 for crude. Okay, let me see. All right. Let's look at ES and the levels for ES. So give me 1 second. So ES, I'm gonna go back down here. So let's look at what we have here. We are right at our resistance here right now. I would say that, let me extend this one a little bit. This one would be resistance, and those there also. So I'm gonna leave it there. Let's see, 42, support 41.50. And then resistance is going to be 42, let's see, 15. Let's see how this one looks like that. Yeah, good enough. 42.15. Yeah, I think that would be okay. So 42.15 and 41.50 right there. So those are the levels of support and resistance. And it's moving up. It's threatened to, cross the moving average. And if we see the cycle here, we do have some period where it moved above. It did what was not really successful and came back down, and now it's trying to move and cross again. We'll see what it's going to do. Yeah, it could be a short-lived move to the upside. Again, today is kind of hard. Probably the big move is going to happen tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so those are the levels for ES and NQ. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Let's look at the 240 minutes in ES. So ES 240 minutes. So moving to the upside, stack EM is not really clear. We are in a area of compression. It's compressing to the upside, and but this one is somewhat bullish on the last candle, trying to cross above and hit this resistance. We'll see what's going to happen, but it's kind of struggling now to move above this area here. We are right at the 50 moving average, and below the excuse me, below the 200. Okay, and so now let's look at the 30 minutes chart. And in the 30 minutes, there is a nice move in the last. Let me change this monitor. And I was saying that in the 30 minutes, there's a move already above these levels here. And then crossed it and moved up there. Now it's trying to break the previous high, but it's failing. Okay, so it's coming back down. There's a big candle or a big bar there in momentum. Momentum is still below the lines are below the 0 line. But we'll see. And let's go back to the chart on the main, and we'll see here on the Renko the Renko chart that it's kind of struggling to continue moving. It's compressing there after this nice big move to the upside. So it's compressing here. And now we need to wait if it's going to make a move down or up right at the support, at the resistance level, basically put up on this three yesterday's highs. Okay, so that's that. And let's go and look at NQ now. NQ here again, same thing. Let's look at what's doing. It's crossing above the 200 and the 10. So we do have the 200 above the or below the 10 and the 10 above the 50. So this one is bullish. Let's put that one there and see what levels we have for today. Shoot. Okay, I like this one here. There is support right there. Support right there. Support right there. So I would say that this could be a good area of support. I'm gonna say right there. And then in the upper side, now you couldn't argue if I put this one up here, right there, where the price is now actually. Let's see what we have. So this one I'm gonna make support at 14,300 and then resistance at 14,500. Apply. Okay, and then here we do have those levels. So price likes to move in between support and resistance unless it doesn't anymore. So this could continue moving higher. It's breaking the resistance level again. Today is FOMC minutes and meetings, so be careful on what you do today. Could be very, very choppy during the day in waiting for the meeting to happen in the afternoon. Let's go and look at the 240 minutes right there. Right down 240 minutes in Q. This one is actually moving to the upside, higher highs and higher lows right here in this section, and then we are facing the 50 SMA, and below we do have all the moving averages. So I would say that in here we are neutral to bullish unless this candle or the next candle start to move to the downside to hit that support again right at this level, which we just paint out. This one was 14,300 and then 14,500. So it's at the resistance level now on the 200. What we would like to see in general is that this makes a move to the upside, comes back to the support, and then make another move. Or from here, let's draw it again. Comes back, and then from here can go up, or you can have a run of stops and then start moving down to this area right here. Again, so we will see what's going to happen. Let's go to the NQ on the 30s. right here. I think that I'm getting better with changing monitors, don't you think? I was horrible a couple of days ago. So this one, let's extend this one to the upside. Hey, remember to like the video, please. So in that way, I get this is my reward, right? So if you like the video, then I will be encouraged to continue doing this in the mornings. Okay, so NQ is, as I said, at the resistance level, and then in a sideways. It really the sweet spot was right here, and it was at 8:30 around that time where it broke to the upside. So that's the 30 minutes. It's bullish now, breaking resistance, but could be just because of the day. It could be a a run of stops, and then so it run the stops here and then comes back and then go back to this area again. Hey guys, it is 8:55. I'm going to stream just a couple of more minutes and I'm gonna stop at 9. Sorry for the short session today, but as I said, I was in the gym, and it took me a little bit longer to do my routine. So let's go back to the main screen, and let's look how this one fails. I think that this one is going to, it's a little bit heavy up in these levels. I don't think that it's going to do that much moving above these levels. There's a nice resistance here on the 200. So ES is doing that, and also you see that NQ, which had also a nice run, start to struggle, and now we'll see what it's going to happen. Sometimes consolidate and keep going, which I doubt today, but it could happen. This one, it's making a crown formation right here, so lower highs and lower lows right here, and could reverse to the other side. Again, a choppy day. It could be careful on that. All right, so 8:57. I'm gonna leave some music for now here. I cannot emphasize this any more than I have done already, guys or girls. Be careful. Today is a day for practicing patience. Just think your setups. Think about money management. If your first or second or even the third trade is not good, or you get just quit and then wait for it. Crude is going to open in 5 minutes, in 2 minutes, and then we do have also 10:30 inventories. Again, I said that already, but just make sure to make sure to emphasize this, and use your criteria and manage your risk. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.